Hi, my name is Mike Haight with Henderson Haight Injury Attorneys. One of the questions that I'm asked all the time is, how can I afford an attorney? Personal injury attorneys work a little differently than most attorneys. We charge a contingency fee basis as opposed to an hourly rate. If you've ever been to an attorney before, most attorneys charge you $300, $400, $500 an hour, and they make you give them a deposit or a retainer up front, and then they draw against that retainer. And then when the retainer runs out, they ask you to write them another check. And as you can imagine, many people can't afford to do that. Personal injury attorneys, we work a little differently. We work on what's called a contingency fee basis. And that means simply that our fee is contingent upon getting money for our clients. If I spend 1,000 hours on a client's case but don't get that client any money, the client doesn't owe me anything for my time. So we have a strong incentive to get the most money for every client, and we do that anyway, but obviously the more money that we get for our clients, the higher our fee goes. And so it's a good situation for most of our clients because they can't afford to write that check up front, and they're generally very pleased with the outcome. One of the things I tell all my clients to be aware of are the so-called discount firms that charge a discounted contingency. In Las Vegas, the standard contingency fee is 1/3, 33 1/3%, but there's some firms that advertise less. One of the things you need to watch out for is hidden fees and hidden charges. Usually those lawyers will charge you for things the other lawyers won't. They'll charge you for a percentage of the property damage that's recovered. Most reputable firms here in Las Vegas don't charge for property damage. They'll also take a percentage of the medical payments coverage that was obtained, and that's money that you would have gotten anyway even without an attorney. So that's not something that you should be paying for. Also, the other thing I always tell my clients is that, you know, if you're dealing with a discounted fee, you're usually going to get discounted service too. So be careful because you get what you pay for.